Shalom, we from Group 1 will show a video on the theme of faith with the topic of Superman who has super faith. In Indonesia mean Superman yang memiliki super iman. My name is Jilianti Nababan. And my name is Novita Tamba. My name is Payan Teresia Pak Pahan.
Wow! It does our that water is so important for life.
Yes, water is most of life. Without water, human might not be able to carry out activities for life to share.
Yes, I agree with that.
In fact, water is very necessary for everyday life for plants, animals, and humans.
Try to image our life. Water will be very bad.
In my opinion, if we were without water, we will be in trouble in our way. But for human life, animals and plants, because everything we live on, is water necessary for drinking, bathing, swimming, and more. Apart from that, water also plays important role in maintaining ecosystem and environmental balance. So, people say water is the basic need for life.
Yes, I agree with that, but remembering this, I am reminded of the story of the prophet Elijah in the Bible.
Prophet Elijah, what does to Prophet Elijah have to water? Because what the now about Elijah? Story is about his receipt to think about.
Yes, that's true, but he also escaped God not to reign even for 3.5 years. That extraordinary right?
3.5 years whole life and the time the live it must have stopped him and ever life and the time will not of the next.
In fact, if I don't or sower of just one day, I feel like I am not alive. Surely the animals there will also become extinct because the plants will automatically be through. What will they use as food, right?
I don't think water is most important of human life. From Elijah's story, we can see the water is not basic need for us. Let's look at Prophet Elijah. A woman just like us, but even so, water didn't come 3.5 years. He was still alive, but I think the most important thing in life of love and faith in God. If God will always and with us.
What is to get more information? We go to the library to read the books dark.
That's fine too. Come on.
Come on.
Have you found anything related to Elijah?
What I got was that he really asked God not to let the water for Israel for 30.5 years.
Yes, that is absolutely true. And it turns out that because the Israel didn't believe in God and even worship idols.
This meant that at the time Elijah was the only one who knew God, right? And have great faith so that God only heard it. In fact, I know that Israel tested God in the matter.
What does the mean? The Israelites God in what? Why? I did get any information about it.
The story of the prophet Elijah, they tested God's rock irregularity and glory, ignoring God's commands. They worshipped the god Baal and Abonet. Their faith in the rule to God, so the prophet Elijah struggled to revive their faith in God.
How did the prophet Elijah inspire the faith of the Israelites?
The prophet Elijah raised the faith on the Israelites by showing the strength and greatness of God through the miracles he prophet. One example is when Elijah offered a sacrifice to God on God answered by sending fire from heaven to burn the sacrifice, even though the Israelites also escaped their Baal for the same. This but he did not escape it. This shows that Allah is the true and worth God worships.
Elijah's action and loyalty to God we also something to inspire their relatives to return to their truth.
Wow! In the truth of the only Elijah had great faith in the time, so that only he was listed to by God through his request not to bring great to the Israelites.
Yes, that absolutely true. And after know this Elijah is the reason that can strengthen our faith today through history.
What I can get is about loyalty to Allah. Elijah is an example of strong loyalty to God, even in the midst of change and opposition. In the text of the importance of famine, stay in our faith, even though station may be difficult.
If I were the most dependent on Allah, the prophet Elijah relied completely on Allah in the every action and confession the truth. They remind us not to rely on our own strength or our abilities, but to trust God completely in every aspect of our life.
I think that maintaining faith even the means of the setback. Even though Elijah faced difficult circumstances and failures, he did not lose his faith in God. This reminds us that true faith in not always manifests in history or success in the world, but in loyalty to God even if they means of faults and suffering. And also, the prophet Elijah was a superman with the superpower in faith.
Do you know faith is the most important this in life? Even though suffering comes and goes, if God with us, who is enemy? There is even the most important verse in the book of Kings, which contains the story of the prophet Elijah, that God helps us through the intermediary of other people. Even people who are considered lowly are used by God.
Lowest person.
Why? In the story of the prophet Elijah, a widow in Zarephath was wished by God to feed to prophet Elijah when the water crisis occurred.
Oh, I know. The most God saw attitude of justice and also it will play in our daily lives. Every windows can try to be people in the trouble. Suddenly she worked hard to provide for her children and replace her husband.
Yes, that's right.
Therefore, even though we are so difficult by our neighbors, we can also be useful to others. We're not making of limitation into something to that to doesn't know encourage us to do good. God.
Yes, that's right.
What's wrong with you?
I am not feeling well, and the sad thing is my surplus of food and money have run out. I haven't ate since last night. In fact, it broken up with my boyfriend. Why is God so unfair keeping my dress?
Be patient, okay? God will not give grace beyond the capabilities of His servants. God knows how you can face them.
Yes, I agree. God wants to be closer and surrender to Him. If God changes evening to morning, what's more, as a believer, we eagerly be changed. You right? We just need to be patient and surrender.
Remembering about suffering which ended up straining faith, Job called right. Being important figure in the Bible, we had great faith. Job was also one of the most extraordinary figures of the faith, right?
Yes, I agree.
Yes, Job's story is one of the greatest example of the power of faith. Even though he experienced tremendous suffering, he remained faithful to God.
Yes, that's right. Job lost his possession, his health, and even his family, but still say, the Lord gives again. Blessed be name the
Yes, how extraordinary is he did not pay Allah for all his suffering, but instead made people and read on him.
And when his wife gets the Job blame God and Job wrestles and said, if we can receive God from God, why can we expect that?
That shows how strong Job's faith was. He did not complain or blame God for his suffering, but instead continued to trust Him.
Happened when is come to help Job. They blamed him and doubled his faith, but they remained firm in his belief.
He resisted to admit his mistakes of believing Allah. Instead, he continued to look to Him for comfort and justice.
Well, at some point, Job felt frustrated and asked God why he had to suffer, but he still stood to Him.
It could be that when God finally spoke to Job, He reflected His greatness and gave Job a deeper understanding of His extraordinary work.
Yes, that's right, friends. Allah said the human understanding is limited and only He has perfect knowledge and wisdom.
And at the end of the story, God gave Job double what he had before. Job's faithfulness was tested, but he remained steadfast in his faith and was blessed.
Job's story is truly an inspiration for all of us. This teaches us the great faith efforts not only in good times, but also in the minds of suffering and trials.
Yes, that's right. Job is a perfect example of how we should trust God, even when life brings suffering and difficulties. I am moved to have Job a faith. Although I have not experienced as much suffering as he has, I want to have the same streak of faith.
That's a good prayer. Hopefully, we can all strengthen our faith and become more steadfast in facing everything that God gives us, both joy and suffering.
Thank you for talking about Job's story with me. It turns out that where his example was not as serious as Job's suffering. This story really gave me inspiration and the deeper study of faith.
You're welcome. Let's us continue to study God, word, and take example from figures like Job to strengthen our faith and glorify His name in all things.
Hopefully, this conversation will give us a deeper understanding of the great faith shown by Job in his story in the Bible.
Shalom!